Janine, puspusan na naman ang pag-gym. May pinaghahandaan nga ba? Say mo Eko. Tila busy na ulit ang Asia's rising star at TV host actress na si Janine Gutierrez sa kanyang pag-gym. Nagbahagi nga ang coach ng actress ng video na si Coach Inigo at ayon sa naging caption, "Training this sweetheart. After a month off, we work out for 45 minutes, this time before falling into endless chika. I am so proud of us," at Janine Gutierrez. Sinagot naman ito agad ng dalaga ng "Love you, Coachy."
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Tila may pinaghahandaang rampahan si Janine, kaya todo-todo na naman ang pag-gym. Kagaya na lang ng ginawa niyang workout routine bago siya rumampa sa bench. Body of work. Kamakailan.
I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
Mukhang so exciting ang iba pang gagawin ni Janine na for sure. Pasabog at manggugulat na lang sa publiko. Kagaya na lang pagrampa niya sa bench na nasyuk ang lahat ng tao. Nang nakakita sa kanya, sinabi nga ng karamihan na bagay daw kay Janine ang sumali sa beauty pageant dahil may K raw naman siya. At nang matanong si Janine tungkol dito, nakafocus lang daw siya sa TV at movie. Pero malay daw naman niya, gusto rin sana niyang itry. Kaya wait tayo sa iba pang magaganap sa napakagandang si Janine Gutierrez. Kaya naman lalong patay na patay sa kanya ang nobyong si Jericho Rosales dahil sa angking ganda at alindog ng dalaga. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.